Hey everyone, and welcome, where we explore learning psychology, productivity, and time management. All the tools that you guys need to thrive in your studies, your work, and your personal growth. So if you guys are new here, welcome. I have spent 20 years in education, and honestly, I just love helping people unlock their potential. I know it sounds cheesy, but the cheese is true, okay? All right, so today we're going to be diving into the second episode of our series on how to take smart notes by Sonke Adams. In the last video, we talked about why taking smart notes is a game changer for anyone who wants to think more clearly and learn more effectively. Now, if you guys missed that, I'll link it up right up here. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Zettelkasten Method. I know I'm still mispronouncing it. I've been practicing it a lot, especially when filming this series. So what is the Zettelkasten Method? The word Zettelkasten literally means slipbox in German, but this method is as simple as it is powerful. So picture this. You've got a box, right, of notebooks or a digital tool filled with individual notes, and each note captures one single idea, just one. These notes are interconnected, like a web of ideas with links to related topics. It's kind of like your brain, right? Where thoughts and memories are all linked together. Now, the magic of the Zettelkasten method is in how it organizes knowledge. Instead of piling up random notes, it creates a network of ideas. Each note is searchable, so you can find what you need when you need it. So let's say that you're learning Spanish vocabulary. Instead of just listing words, you could create notes that explain how those words connect to grammar rules, phrases, or cultural context. Then when you're practicing, you'll see the bigger picture, not just isolated facts. Here's the real beauty of this method, though. Ideas grow organically. Now, when you're taking notes in this system, you're not just writing things down. You're building connections, and those connections spark new ideas. And then suddenly, what seemed like random bits of knowledge starts to form something much bigger. And this isn't just for students. If you're a professional managing different projects or brainstorming solutions, the Zettelkasten method can help you organize your thoughts, make connections, and come up with creative solutions. So let's talk about how it works in practice, okay? Here are the key features of this method. 1, notes are interconnected. Each note links to related notes, forming a web of ideas. 2, notes are searchable. Whether you're using index cards or a digital tool like GoodNotes or Notion, you can find any note with a keyword or a tag. And 3, ideas grow organically. You don't have to plan everything out in advance. Just add notes and let the connections happen naturally. And here's why this matters. When your notes are interconnected, they don't just sit there collecting dust. They actually become a resource you can use to solve problems, develop projects, and even spark new ideas. It's literally like having a second brain, which actually, funny enough, one of the books I'm also reading is called Having a Second Brain. So please check out for that series coming out shortly. But one that's perfectly organized and always accessible. So what are the benefits of using the Zettelkasten method? Let me break it down. It enhances productivity. You spend less time searching for information because everything is organized and linked. 2, it boosts creativity. Those unexpected connections between ideas can lead to amazing breakthroughs. And lastly, deeper thinking. When you write notes with intention and make connections, you truly understand the material. Remember, when learning something, it's not about memorizing the material. It's about understanding the material so then you can effectively execute the skill that you are learning and how you can apply it or how you can apply it effectively. All right, so that's your introduction to the Zettelkasten method. In the next episode, we're going to break down the different types of notes you'll see: fleeting notes, literature notes, and permanent notes. And how to start building your own slipbox, whether it's analog or digital. Now, if you're excited to give this a try, please let me know in the comments below. What's one area of your life, could be studies, work, or even hobbies, where could you see yourself using a system like this? Now, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you guys don't miss the next episode. And remember, learning isn't just about absorbing information. It's about building something meaningful with it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.